So we're at a farm. My girlfriend's blurry in the background. You can't even see her. Look at that. I have a blurry girlfriend. You wish you had a blurry girlfriend. So we're gonna go around and talk to the animals. This is a free farm, so we're not paying to view the creatures that are captured here. I think they have a good life. There's lots of space, although these ones are in a cage, but I'll show you some cows, some horses, lambs, chickens, and flies. That's what you really want. For the animals. There's a cow in there. His name's Lenny. His name's Lenny. I'm pretty sure that's Lenny. There's Frank in the background. Which one's the girl?
The one at the back. They're both girls.
Both girls?
They're both girls.
I don't understand.
They got boobies.
They got boobies. Hey, little buddy.
Lucy and Emmy.
Are they feeding you grass or corn? Do you make grass-fed butter? Is that what you do?
Hello, Cinnamon. Look at that nice.
Tap once on the ground if you make grass-fed butter.
Can you see that cow?
He's not doing it. Hey, horsey. You're a horse. He's a happy horse. He's eating hay. Yummy, yummy. He's dehydrated. He uses an Excalibur 9 tray to dehydrate his grass. Hey, little lamb buddies.
We gotta get in.
Hey, little lamb buddies. We got some bunnies here. What are their names?
The black one is Midnight,
Mm-hmm.
and the white one is Marshmallow.
That's just so super cute.
Does it get any cuter?
They're together forever. Huh. Bunnies are making out. They love bunnies. Nothing can stop their love. We have geese-like creatures of the night. They fly south, but they're back. They're back. It's warm enough now that they can tolerate Toronto. They're here for job interviews. Hopefully they get it. Susie in the back just laid an egg. You can see it. It's a perfect egg. She didn't realize that Easter had already come, but she still does it. These pigs are all brothers.
Wilbur.
Wilbert.
William.
William.
Will.
Will.
And Warren.
Warren. That's the W brothers. Next time you're thinking of frying up some bacon for breakfast, you'll know that it came from the bums of these brothers. They all got bums. They'd rather sit than be bacon. See? He agrees. Here's Quacker's McDuck. He's wagging his tail. He's so excited. Or she. You could be either one.
It's his first chance at fame ever.
Mm-hmm. What do you have to say to the people? How about your friend in the back there? Are you a turkey? Are you a tofurkey? That's what tofurkey's made from. These are the meditating geese. They just meditate for hours. They generate karma for themselves and the rest of the animals in the barn. They do a good thing here on the planet. Hey, little buddy. This is Henry the chicken.
He's a rooster, sweetie.
Oh, he's a rooster.
Henry the rooster.
Henry,
got the right name.
Henry the rooster. He has dreams of being a businessman. A business rooster.
So you're the rooster.
He wants to trade stocks. Is Facebook going up or down this year? Wow. It's going up. Thank you. Thank you, Henry. Are you a ballerina?
Money, penny, money, penny, money, penny, money, penny.
You don't want to be a deep fried chicken wing, do you? You don't have to be. You don't have to be.
They have pretty wings.
I'm gonna set you free, buddy.
They have such pretty wings. Who would want to fry that?
Mm-hmm. He's fluffy. He's a fluffy white rooster. Some say he has it easier in life because he's a white male, but it's not proven. Okay, so that was fun. We went to a farm. It was closing though, so we were here for like half an hour. So we didn't get to spend as much time as we would have liked. But we had fun. We met some new friends. My girlfriend's in the background. She's so blurry. She's so cute and blurry. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, so I think we're done here for today. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up if you liked the video. Thumbs down if you were a chicken in your last life and you remember the guy that ate you. That would suck. So take that and keep her in the shot. We're done. Subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.